In this video, I'm gonna show you the Akai GX266 Mark II, the reel-to-reel. This is one of the later 70s Akai reel-to-reel machine. It is actually coming in the original box. I just got it from the eBay. So this is how the original box looks like. Looks not pretty, but you see everything here. That's how this looks like. And you can see that's and okay. So let's see the top. And if I open it, the inside is just like this. This is a manual. I think that's a warranty card. This is the original manual, and you can see I think the manual preserved very well. Anyway, so that's warranty card. Let's put this away. And this is how this looks like. It's actually very simple. And then I'm gonna take this out. All right. Let me. Okay. We'll take one side. This way. Okay. One side. And let me get another side. Yes. Okay. So now the unit is out. So this is how this looks like. There are a few scratches, but I think overall it looks okay. Now let's start to see how this works. Okay. put the first one. And let's play. This is a reel-to-reel I'm playing. Oh, I forgot. That's a speed.
I'm a fool to want you. I'm a fool to want you. To want a love that can't be true. A love that's there for others too. I'm a fool to hold you. Such a fool to hold you. To seek a kiss, not mine alone. To share a kiss, the devil has.
As I just showed, this is a tape speed control. Right now we have 7.5. If I depress, that becomes 3.5. So let's go back. It also has a volume control here. So that's a volume control. And I also have a pause here.
But then,
So that's a pause.
would come the time when
And actually, this can be taken off the cover.
And once again these words.
So that's cover off.
I'm a fool.
And you can see this is a pinch roller. And you have the Azumi's screw adjustment here.
Pity me, I need you. I know it's wrong, it must be wrong. But right or wrong, I can't get along without you.
Alright, next, let's try some classic music. And now next, we can try a different tape. And this one is at 3 and 3/4 speed tape. So we see how this is good. Let's see. Okay. Okay, think this is good. And this machine is actually bi-directional, which means I can play another direction. Alright. This is the play of those tapes. And next, I think I can show you the out reverse function of this. The auto reverse pins when placed to the end, it will automatically go to another direction. And this one actually requires the sensor phone here like this. So let's do that. So this way, do it like this. Let's do this. Oh, it's thundering outside. Okay. Let's do this. So, and then let's play.
That's all I have to say. I say it every day.
It's another way. This around, then it reaches the sensor tape, it will reverse automatically. So that's how it works.
All the dearly beloved have gathered at last.
Faces from the future and those from the past.
Distant cousins and uncles and aunts.
The boy who took me to my very first dance.
The girl I used to think was somewhat cute.
My mother's Uncle Herbert from the Institute.
And they've all of them come with one thing in mind. Just to see us say I do. I do, that's all I have to say. I do, I say it every day. I did it just last night. I said it at the church rehearsal and I got it right. I do, how easily it's said. I wonder what would happen if I said I don't instead. I do.
This morning I woke up so early. In fact, I never slept. I got down the box inside my closet where my very best things are kept. Then I fixed me a cup of nice hot tea and I locked my door inside. Then I looked at my high school photographs and cried and cried and cried.
A man and a woman are meant for each other, as husband and wife. From this moment forward, I promise to love thee, the rest of my life. Together forever together, for this is the promise you give. Together forever together, through all of the sorrow and happiness. Together, as long as you live.
To honor and cherish, forsaking all others, I offer my heart, for richer, for poorer, to love and to comfort, till death do us part. Together, for this is the promise you give. Together forever together,
Alright, so next I think we can do some test of the recording. Should be good. So next we're gonna do some recording. I put next we're gonna do some recording. So let me put the tape on so that we'll record on this tape, and let's do this. I think that is good. That's good. Let me plug in my phone. First, let's see if we get an input here. We can choose to source. We do get the input, that's good.
The sound of the alarm can barely fill
And we can adjust the input signal. I think that's good enough. Okay. Then let's do this as recording. So this is recorded to the tape.
The sound of the alarm can barely feel my arm. Woke up with you on my chest. Man, I feel so blessed. Not sure that I deserve to watch the sunrise on your
I think that was probably the tape.
Wish I could keep you here. Wish I was your career, so you don't have to go to work. We'd go back to sleep. I'd kiss you on the nose, just like the movies pull you close. Don't go. I wanna live in slow mo.
And you can certainly use record mute, which you mute the recording for a few seconds or as long as you want.
If only we could rest back.
You also have this pitch control, which controls the speed of the tape. Make the tape slow,
Baby, come back to bed.
make the tape faster, a little bit faster.
I know it sounds absurd, but that's life, I've heard. It seems you only get one chance, and it's not even
And it's also recorded on both sides, so I can do this.
Wish I could keep you near.
So that is recorded on another side.
If only I could find the words, so you would never leave. We'd stay in bed all day, kiss while the pizza's on its way. Don't go. I wanna live in slow mo, so I can keep you by my side. Watch the days turn into night and do the things we like.
Alright, I think this really is everything I have for this reel-to-reel machine. And thank you for watching.